This script is designed to take audio recordings, like coding tutorials or voiceovers, and pair them with matching video footage automatically. The goal is to save time by creating finished video files without needing a manual editor. To set it up, you'll need 3 folders. The first one is called Coding Audio, where you place your voice recordings or background tracks. The second one is Coding Video, where you keep video clips you want to pair with the audio. And the last one is Ready Coding, which is where the completed, combined videos will be exported. The script is written in Python and uses FFmpeg, so you'll need both installed on your machine. At the top of the script, there are a few simple settings you can customize. You can adjust the video quality, the frame rate, and the audio bitrate. You can also change the video speed, for example slowing it down by 20% or speeding it up to double speed. Finally, there are deletion options that let you automatically remove the original audio or video files once they've been successfully processed. Here's how it works when you run it. The script scans the coding audio folder for sound files, and the coding video folder for video files. For each audio file it finds, it tries to match it with a video that has the same base name. If it can't find a perfect match, it simply uses the first video available as a fallback. Once a pair is found, the script checks how long the audio is. Then it takes the chosen video, loops it endlessly, and applies any speed adjustments you set. It trims the looping video to the exact length of the audio, then merges the two together into a single synchronized file. This file is exported as an MP4 into the Ready Coding folder. After everything is processed, the script can optionally delete the original audio and video files. To be safe, it only deletes videos when the base names matched, so shared fallback videos won't be removed by mistake. The main use for this script is to quickly generate coding tutorial videos, where the audio is a walkthrough or explanation, and the video might be screen recordings, B-roll footage, or looping background visuals. But it's also handy for podcasts that need a visual component, lecture recordings, or any project where you want to automatically pair long audio with looping video. In short, this tool automates the process of syncing audio with video, looping video as needed, and exporting polished, ready-to-share files with almost no manual effort.